Here's a look to the charts for the next few days, and Friday has got high pressure to the southwest of us, a fairly slack picture across most areas, although the wind will strengthen across Scotland, and into the night will reach gale force. We've got the remnants of fronts across England and Wales. That's producing some low cloud, mist and murk, and a rather dull day, again, for many places, but any rainfall amounts should be small. Western Scotland sees a weak front drifting in with just gradually low cloud filling further into the Western Highlands. Some drizzly rain coming on increasingly into the afternoon, but across the eastern side of the Highlands a dry and a bright day with many tops free of low cloud and some sunshine coming through. Now, it's slow-moving, waving fronts that will be in place through the weekend, and that'll take us through to Christmas Day as well. On Saturday, the heaviest of any rain is going to be across the northwest of Scotland. We've got stronger winds for all through the day, widespread upland gales, a marked increase with height. We'll see wind speeds 50, 60, 70 miles per hour on the higher Scottish mountains, and gales across higher tops in England and Wales as well. Again, low cloud shrouding many western mountains, drizzly rain not amounting to a great deal from southwest Scotland southwards, and the best of the cloud breaks toward the eastern side of the Highlands. Into Christmas Eve, and that front just thinks slightly further southwards. Some uncertainty how far it gets, but I think the idea of some rain persistent most of the day across the West Highlands may well be across Dumfries and Galloway too. Some heavy falls in there, just tending to fade a little bit further north across the Northwest Highlands, although still some rain on and off, I think, around Skye and Torridon. Somewhat drier around the Moray Firth and also across much of the Cairngorms. Rain and drizzle really on and off much of the day too for Wales, the Lake District and the Western Pennines. Strongest winds then focus more on England and Wales. Widely gale force on the mountains. Winds tend to ease a little bit across Scotland. Now there's the latest chart we've got for Christmas Day. It's quite a tangle and some uncertainty just on the absolute detail, but some heavy rain around, possibly some snow in the far north of Scotland, although I think milder areas trying to push back northwards again, and eventually this whole system may well swing eastwards later in the day, so some heavy rain could well get to many areas before the day is done. Looks like colder air then returns as we go into Boxing Day onwards. More details on that in the full planning video online on Friday.